Hello again from Clem Hall over here at Eastern Illinois, and I would like to talk to you just a little bit about how to organize um, some of your critical thinking and such as you read a journal article or an article um, in a publication. A lot of times we read an article and we don't. I don't know about you, but it takes a little time to step back and think about it. But I like the way that Paulo Brown has organized thoughts and critical thinking responses and such, and I've kind of adapted a Excel spreadsheet uh, for for the purposes of our class. And if you'll notice that I have kind of outlined a template, and I've also posted one for your use in this course. For the articles in each unit, we're going to do a outline, I guess an outline or an Excel spreadsheet for each of the units, plus for whatever your term paper is going to be written on, and that's going to be your choice. There's also going to be some literature review that has to go on for that. So I'm looking for 6 units, and then plus the 7th for your term paper, 7 different outlines. But anyway, use this template, and what I've done, it kind of helps compile information, is the top section up here where my arrow is shows that the section and the title of the reference that it's coming out of. Also, the spreadsheet here is divided into six different sections. The first section being a purpose. So as you're reading an article, find out what the author's purpose is, and describe that in the description column. Now, sometimes I'll separate, when I'm doing this, I'll separate cells in here. You can write the whole description in this one, or you can go in here and right click and type insert and then continue on with another one if you'd like. It's pretty simple. And most of you guys hopefully have had enough Excel skills at this point that it shouldn't be a problem. And then over here, this is what's important. Tell me your critical response. For instance, for the purpose, is the author's purpose clear or is it muddled? Did you have a hard time finding it? Analyze the article. Was the actual purpose different than the stated purpose? In other words, did the article tend to drift away from his stated purposes, or was it fairly concise? And then your feelings about the text. How did it affect you? Did you see the author's point? Did he convince you that his position was better than maybe what yours was? Or do you have to reevaluate your position and kind of do some things along that line? Notice down here I have created pages for each of the different articles, and this is of course the introduction and into our text in the Unit 1 articles. But now I have not, as you can tell, changed the formatting on these pages, but it's pretty simply done. You can take and go back to the introduction, for instance, and you can go up to the top and highlight, scroll down, drag down, highlight, highlight it and copy, and then paste it into the other sections if you'd like. Again, you have to change the size of your column spacings to match what I had, but shouldn't be a problem to do that. Okay. But use this format, and these things will be submitted to the use this format and to resubmit your articles, and I'll be posting a Dropbox location for these sections. Okay. Good luck with it, and like I said, contact me if you got any questions.